Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the scope. Check official server notices and social channels to see if this is a platform-wide downtime. While you do that, restart your router and your PC or console to eliminate local networking glitches, clearing DNS cache speeds lookup, so run that next. Once done, move to a wired connection or a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP issues, and make sure to record timestamps and error codes so you can report precise details if the outage persists. You proceed to detailed diagnostics. Run traceroute and ping tests toward Epic Games endpoints to reveal where packets drop or lag. This shows whether the problem is local, at your ISP, or upstream. Next, inspect your router logs and firewall or NAT settings. Misconfigured ports or strict filters can block matchmaking. If routing looks suspect, try a reputable VPN to bypass regional routing faults and compare results so you can pinpoint whether the issue is with your ISP or the game network itself. You finalize by submitting a concise report. Include logs, traceroutes, ping results, error codes, and timestamps to Epic support and your ISP so both teams can correlate issues. Meanwhile, use temporary workarounds like a VPN, switching data center regions, or enabling crossplay if that avoids the affected cluster. If those fail, make sure your router and console configs are backed up and then wait for the official fix. If downtime persists, retest periodically and include a single troubleshooting tip. Retry with a clean profile to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.